In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can hook up an SSD or a external hard drive, any type of extra storage to your PlayStation 5. I'm going to show you guys how to install it on there and then where to go on your PlayStation to format it and get it up and running. That's today's tech video. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. Alright, so you want to add some storage to your PlayStation 5 because these things normally can hold about, I don't know, 4 or 5 games before they run out of storage. So what I have here is a Samsung SSD drive that is about 500 gigs, so pretty much double the space that I have in my PlayStation 5 here. Now the reason that I went with this one here is, one, it is an SSD, so it's pretty fast, it's flash storage, versus being a hard drive, which is still good but not as fast as an SSD. And then this one also has 2 different types of cables. It's got the USB cable and then USB-C right here. Now I'm going to go with this one here. Now there are flash drives like this, but I don't recommend going with something like this quite yet. PlayStation hasn't updated its system to where it'll put PlayStation 5 games on a flash drive like this. Now, as at the time of this recording they haven't. But this will work plenty fine. So I'll put a link in the description down below of where you can get one of these. But there's 2 different ways of where you can hook it up. You can either hook it up here on the USB that's on here, and it's USB 3.0 right there, so it's really fast, or you can use the USB-C that's hooked up right here in this cable. I'm going to go ahead and go with the USB 3, and then what we're going to do is take and flip your PlayStation around. So you can use the front, but I'm going to use the back just because it's cleaner and I'm not using these ports back here. And on the back side of your PlayStation, USB slots back here, go ahead and plug in your SSD into the back here. Then that way you can tuck it away just to have a little bit more cleaner setup look. But go ahead and plug that in there now, and then I'll show you where you need to go on your PlayStation in the settings to format it. Okay, mine's plugged in. Tuck it around. Okay, once you have your PlayStation on, what you're going to want to do is go up to the top right corner right here where it says settings. You'll click on that. Now go down to storage and then click on that. As you can see, it already recognized that I plugged in a new SSD in there, and it's the Samsung one. So what you have to do is you got to format it whenever you plug a brand new external hard drive or brand new SSD into your PlayStation. So we'll go ahead and format as a USB extended storage, and it's just verifying that it'll delete the data that's on there. Just go ahead and click on yes to make sure. Okay, now it says that the USB drive has been formatted as a USB extended storage. Just click on OK. Okay, and then as you see, it'll show you how much storage is available, and of course I have pretty much all free space. But if you click over to the left and then go to console storage, right there it'll show you how much your PlayStation is being used there. So you can always click on the games and the apps right there. And if you wanted to like move over one of these particular apps to your SSD or your external hard drive, then you could do that this way. Okay, let's say that you did want to move one of these games over. What you would do is just kind of select one of these games, and then it says to select to delete or select items to move. You would click on to move. As you can see, Call of Duty there on the left is check marked, and then you would go over here to move it to the specific extended storage. Right here it lists on the top right the console storage and the USB storage, so that way you can evaluate where you want to move it to. I'm going to go ahead and leave mine on the console for now because I still have room, but that's how you would do it if you wanted to move a game over. But yeah, that's pretty much how you extend the storage on your PlayStation 5. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back on the next one. Take care.